Hi everyone, in this video we'll clean this Panasonic inverter ductless mini split AC unit. This is a light cleaning to help keep the unit clean between deep cleanings. Here we go. First, if needed, wipe down the exterior with a damp cloth. Release the clips on each end of the front panel and swing up the front panel. Lift up the filter, disengage the two bottom tabs from the slots, and pull out the filter. Repeat for the other filter. You can see the light dust covering the filter screen. The evaporator coil looks clean and doesn't need a deep cleaning right now. Take the filters outside and hose them down with water. The cleaning frequency will depend on how much you use the AC unit. Now for the outdoor condensing unit. For safety reasons, turn off the circuit breaker, or if you're comfortable doing so, disengage the unit pull-out switch. Gently hose down the condenser coils, letting the water run down the coils to wash away light dirt buildup. Again, this is a light cleaning between deep cleanings. Allow the filters in the coil to dry for several minutes. Then restore power by turning on the circuit breaker or reinstalling the pull-out switch. Slide the filter up into the slots on the left and right. Insert the bottom tabs into the slots to secure the filter in place. Repeat for the other filter. Close the front panel. Turn the unit on. And enjoy the cool air. Here's another video that might interest you.